Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS IAM roles for Lambda functions step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM section. In the left sidebar, click on Roles. Select Create Role. Choose AWS Service as the type of trusted entity. Under Use Case, select Lambda. Click Next, Permissions. Attach the necessary policies for your Lambda. You can search for policies like AWS Lambda Basic Execution Role for logging permissions. Once you've selected the policies, click Next, Tags. You may add tags if needed, but this step is optional. Click Next, Review. Give your role a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Optionally, add a description for clarity. Review the details of your role and click Create Role. After creating the role, go to the Lambda console. Select the function you want to authenticate. In the function's configuration, scroll down to the Execution Role section. Choose Use an existing role. From the drop-down menu, select the IAM role you just created. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, your Lambda function is configured to use the designated IAM role. You can test the function to ensure it has the correct permissions. If issues arise, revisit the IAM console to adjust permissions as needed. That's the complete process for authenticating with AWS IAM roles for Lambda functions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.